In Southeast Asia, including Bali, there is a syndrome called Latah, which is a form of Tourette syndrome. Now, with people who are Latah, as in Dadong Chang Latah, Ementiang Latah, my mother has Latah, or my grandmother has Latah. Latah is usually a syndrome which you find in grandmothers and elder mothers, and also in transsexuals. The Balinese form of Latah is most commonly expressed by women, perhaps working in the kitchen, when something falls over and smashes or there's a loud noise. Here are a few examples, after which I will translate the term. Tlak means big cock. One also hears tlak slum gede, which means big black cock. Pek makaplug means my vagina is exploding. Panat chang long, my unborn child has slid out of my vagina.